Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cooking Share. I threw together a dish with sausage, bell peppers, broccoli, and the whole trimmings, and it came out absolutely fantastic. I know you're going to want to make it, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, I'm going to start by grabbing up about 5 Italian sausages, and these are hot ones. So I am just going to cut these into slices. And you don't have to use Italian, you don't have to use hot either. You could use honey garlic, whatever you like, but these were on sale. And I got these guys for about 10 of them for $10, so I think that's a pretty good deal. Next up, into a pan over medium-high heat with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And in we go with those sausages. I would just stir and fry these up until they're pretty much browned and cooked through. So this will take, 6-7 minutes, something like that. Well, the sausages are frying up. I'm going to grab up a red bell pepper, and we're just going to kind of julienne this up into fairly thin strips. Just something like that. And we'll do the same thing with a yellow bell pepper. Now, I'm using red and yellow. I know they're both kind of sweet, but you could also use a green just to keep them multicolored and add some color to the dish. Now, our sausages are pretty much done it up. I'm just going to move these to one side. Don't they look good? Wish you were to smell them. They smell incredible. So we are going to go in with 3 cloves of chopped garlic, me and my garlic, a small chopped onion, just a white onion. You could probably use red too. I would just stir and saute this for a couple of minutes until, as I always say, that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic begins to happen and fill the air. Then you know something's cooking. Okie dokie, we're all sauteed up here, so I'm just going to mix everything together. Oh, that smell! Absolutely incredible. Now I'm going to grab up those peppers, and into the pan they go, whether they like it or not. Then some broccoli florets. I guess about half a broccoli head here, in with half a cup of chicken broth, half a cup of tomato sauce, and I gotta throw in a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste just to make everything rich and thick and yummy. Season things up with a bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon or 2 of the good old ground black pepper, and a couple of teaspoons of my all-time favorite, some Italiano seasoning. I just love this stuff. Grab up a couple of spoons and we'll just toss everything together here. We're just going to let this simmer away for a few minutes just until that broccoli softens up. After everything is simmered up, I'm going in with 2 cups of rice. I'll just give this a toss around. Now, some people are going to ask, is this pre-cooked rice? And yes, it is. Don't throw on raw rice in there. It's going to throw everything off. So get the Uncle Ben's or just cook it the night before type of thing. This is going to be good. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to go in with some ooey gooey mozzarella just to finish things off. I'd say, half a cup of this. Depends on how cheesy you want it. Give it a stir around one more time. Just get that cheesy goodness all melted down and in there. And oh my goodness, this is going to be good. Now we've killed the heat, guys. It is time to plate this goodness up. Oh, just look at that mozzarella. And there you have it, guys, our one-pan sausage with peppers and broccoli skillet. You are going to love this. Absolutely delicious and so easy to make. All right, let's dig in here. I'm going to get some sausage, some rice, and of course I got to get some of those bell peppers. Try a yellow on there. Oh, just look at this. All right, down the old hatch. This is so good, guys. The bell peppers are still on the crunchy side. The broccoli, that sausage is so good. The rice, everything just goes together so beautifully. 25 minutes, you're done, bing, bang, boom. You're going to want to make this. And if you do, leave us a comment because I just love to read them. Give us a like because it helps the channel out, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'm going to have more. And we'll see you next time. So good.